everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a double unboxing and it's from Saint Laurent and Chanel. And let's start with Chanel. So this is actually an impulse buy. I visited Chanel Neiman Marcus and saw this, and this is it, guys. So I have the receipt with me and let's open it together. I was in a hurry that I wasn't able to wait for the camellia and ribbon. This is it, guys. It came with this velvet material that they used to wrap the item inside. This is it. It's a beautiful, beautiful hair clip that has a CC logo in the middle with crystals, and it has like a Chanel spell to it. That when you put it on your hair, especially if you have black hair like me, one will be able to see the Chanel etched to it, and it is such a beautiful and gorgeous piece. And this is from the 21K. This is the price and the barcode if you are interested. And I paid a total of $675 US and 31 cents with tax. I've never seen this hair clip, guys, but I just saw it on display, and then my SA also had one in a separate stock. So I just got the one from the stock, and this is what it looks like. So I have another clip that I'm using from the previous season, and this is it. So it's kind of similar. This one more has like a brush gold hardware to it, and both have CC logo inside with crystals. The only difference to this is this one that could grip your hair, and I like this one better, that has this like hooks. I have not used this hair clip. I don't know, I tried it on at the store, and it seems like if it can hold my hair, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear this for a longer time, if it will slide down, as it doesn't have like a hook in here because of the Chanel markings that it has. I would rather have like a hook in the middle that could grip my hair. So hopefully this will gonna stay on my hair like the previous hair clip that I got. And here is the Chanel marking in here. Well, this one, I think it's more like, it's very, very tiny. It's in here, guys. It has like a laser edge to it. Well, this one has like an embossed logo, Chanel markings in here that says maybe 21K. And if you're gonna compare the two, it looks like this together. So which one is your pick, guys? This, the 21K, or this one? I forgot what season is this, but I really like the look of hair clips on my hair. And I think this is a better buy than the brooch that we have. If you clip your hair, because for the brooches, it's more like you have to really match it with the clothes that you wear, and like this one where you can just put it on your hair, whatever outfit that you have. So this is the 21K hair clip that I got from Neiman. And the second one is a purse, guys, and this is from YSL, and this is it. We'll open it together. So we went to YSL as my best friend is eyeing for a purse, and I tried this on and came home with this as well. And this is the Mini Lou crossbody bag in this beautiful, beautiful gray color. I don't have a gray color handbag, that's why I opted for this one. And this has been upgraded because before, or updated, I mean, as before, this logo has like a leather intertwined around it like this, and they change it into a beautiful hardware that says Saint Laurent Paris, and this more like a matte gold finish around the words that they put, the letters that they put around it. And the gold hardware is very, very beautiful. It's like an antique gold finish to it. And I love this green leather, and it's shinier than the usual caviar that we see on Chanel's. Maybe it depends on the season. As you can see, it has like a shiny sheen to it, and it's the same at the back. And here we can also put receipts here at the back pocket. And inside, this is such a practical bag, and I got this before the price increase. Actually, it's like a day before the price increase. Saks and Neiman already increased this by $200, and when I went to a YSL store, the SA told me that it's the last day before their price increase. And I have the receipts here. And inside has this leather lining, which I love, and it has 1, 2, 3 card slots. And this is the barcode. Right now it's I think it's 1,390 right now. So I'm so glad that I was able to save $200 on this. And I really like this big opening inside. And the price that I paid total with the tax is $1,285 with tax. And I remembered when this came in before, it's only $980, I think. Now the price has kept on increasing, and this is such a good buy if you are looking as an entry-level bag from YSL. This is such a beautiful bag, and it's made well in chevron pattern. And I love this big logo as well, as it looks clean with the logo in the middle, and the gray color of this bag is just so spot on. It's not the dark gray, it's not the light gray, but somewhat in between. And the zipper just closes easily. I'm gonna compare this caviar leather to my Business Affinity Chanel. And as you can see, this is in matte caviar leather. And this is more like shiny caviar, if you're gonna pay attention to it, than this. I think the light hits more like it makes shiny, but in person, this is more like a matte caviar leather. You can never go wrong with YSL, guys. The quality is really good. And the hardwares are also made very well. Let's measure the bag. 9 inches across, and the height is 5 inches. And then the strap is non-adjustable, and the height of the strap is, it's 22. So 22 inches. That's a padding here where it can support your shoulder. And as you can see, the stitches are really on point, even the glazing, with leather lining. And let's try to put what fits inside, guys. I will also do a mud shot at the end, so you'll be able to know how will it look on. And I'm 5'4". If you go back to my video, you will be able to see the black one that I got. I'm gonna put this big sunglasses from Chanel, and it's really big, and we'll put it inside. So if you are living in a hot climate, you'll be able to know what fits inside. And I have this recto verso wallet that I have, and I'll put it inside as well. And I'll put this Purell hand sanitizer in, and also this YSL lipstick. And there's still space here. There's still space in here. And let's see. This is like also an antibacterial spray. Let's see if it will fit. So I guess that's it, guys, and let's close it. So it closes, and this bag really packs well. And again, let's remove the stuff. So this is like a thick hand sanitizer, and I also have another one, and a recto verso wallet, and also a lipstick, and this sunglasses. So it can fit your essentials if you're gonna use this bag. And let's see if my mini pochette will fit. So I have my mini pochette and my mini case, and let's put it in here. So it fits easily as well, guys, and you'll be able to close it well. So this may look small, but it actually fits a lot. Like this, if you wear it crossbody, and it has a nice drop to it. And it also feels comfortable. This is a cute camera bag that really fits your essentials. And you can fit, let's say I have this Hermes Bastia, and I'm gonna put it at the back so you'll know what fits at the back. So this is what it looks like if I'm gonna put this Hermes Bastia with coins inside. And this is my recto verso wallet, and let's try to put it inside, and it fits as well. So it looks like this. So this is such a beautiful, beautiful bag, guys. I'm really, really happy with this purchase. And this is the YSL Mini Lou crossbody bag in gold hardware. There are also a lot of colors. There's green, off-white, and caramel, and also black and blue. And I think the green comes in silver hardware, and I also saw a black on black gunmetal hardware, and it's also beautiful. But this gray is such a beautiful, beautiful shade of gray that I came home with this, and I don't have any gray bag. And if you compare it side by side with a black color, it looks like this. So pretty, guys. Tell me if you also own this bag, and if you love it, let me know. Or if also you are eyeing on this bag, let me know what you think. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you on my next video. And thank you for watching, and please do like this video if you like it, and I will appreciate if you will subscribe.